right, ready?
Yep.
There we go. Open up our honey gate. And boom!
Yum. Hey, it's Jason. Today's a super cool day. We're extracting honey from the beehive. So we have backyard bees, and we're gonna take some of the combs that we can harvest, put in this machine. It spins the combs, and out comes honey. And this is our little setup area to do it. So I've never done this before. I have a lady that's been managing the beehive for us, the honeybee hive. And Nicole is gonna do this today, and we're gonna actually get some honey. It's been a couple years since we've had honey. We've had some bad luck with the beehive, but this year it's been absolutely fantastic. So stay tuned. You're gonna see the process kind of quickly as we do it. What are the caps? Just what hardens, I guess?
Yeah, that little cap.
Oh, okay.
So you just take this fork and you can scrape the, see, you release the honey.
Mm-hmm. It just flows, huh?
Yeah. So. Ready?
Yep.
Gate. And boom!
Yum.
So all those wax cappings are all going to get filtered.
The amount of honey we're getting is awesome. And what this does is it spins the combs, it shoots the honey out, it drips, and then you open up this valve and it goes through these two dual filters, and you get really clean honey at the bottom. It's a slow process doing the filtering, but it's kind of a necessity. And then we have some unfiltered, just the actual comb that we're putting in some jars, which is super cool. And I have to say, this honey, it's absolutely delicious. I forgot how good backyard honeybee honey is.